She got the style so clean and sleek. A-line skirt is smooth and neat. She wears her makeup then drives away. She is a Cali girl all day.
Hi guys! This for you. That's right. I decided yesterday to create my own account here in YouTube. Actually, hindi naman to bago sa akin. Kasi in 2019, I created a video vlog with my best friend. We were traveling, going to Europe. And we got stuck sa international airport for 7 hours. Tapos nagka-idea ako, naku, alam mo, mag-vlog tayo. And then, the rest is history. At eto na nga yun guys, yung account namin. Sayang kasi we didn't pursue it. It's because 2020 was pandemic.
Hey guys, we finally made it after, tell you how many hours, but several hours. With my beautiful friend. I'm sorry.
Finally in Paris. We'll take you around.
Sayang, at naudlot talaga yung plan. We are both excited for the next adventure. However, pandemic, maraming nangyari. Till one day, nakalimutan na lang namin yung password. Nasa heart ko talaga yung pagiging creative. I love photography. I love editing. It's like my therapy. Alam mo yung may sarili kang trabaho but at the same time, you do something outside your work. Hindi ka na burn out sa ginagawa mo sa buhay when you do things like that. You know, things that make you happy. It was pandemic. Naisip ko ulit mag-create ng sarili ko ng account. At eto yon. And here's my another account na ginawa ko during pandemic time. There's only 3 videos na naka-upload publicly. I actually uploaded a couple more. This is my favorite vlog na ginawa ko during pandemic time. I transformed the small space of my sister and I enjoyed it a lot. Vlogging is not new to me, kaya lang aaminin ko, hindi ko talaga na-enhance. Marami din kasi nangyari. We bought the house. I have been frequently visiting my son. So many priorities na kailangan kong unahin talaga. Then, na-introduce tayo sa FB Reels. Eto na. Natuto tayo mag-engage, na-improve yung pag-create natin ng content, and na-introduce tayo sa mga followers to a point na nagkaroon tayo ng mga legit supporters. At dahil yan sa inyo, kaya na-encourage ako ngayon bumalik sa pag-vlog. At syempre, hindi ko rin ikakaila sa inyo na na-monetize din tayo. At eto yon, medyo kumita din tayo kahit papano, diba? So, nagpapasalamat ako dyan sa opportunity. At hindi naman tayo magsa-stop sa FB. At dahil sa FB, meron na tayong 22 subscribers at this very moment. At dahil din sa inyo, binigyan niyo ako ng idea kung ano yung una kong i-first vlog. Thank you sa ating mga winners. Para sila ng idea. So, they're gonna share yung ating konting pakape. Diba? Salamat talaga sa reason bakit gusto ko ulit mag-vlog. Gusto ko lang mag-create ng video diary. Parang ang sarap balikan kung ano yung mga pinaggagawa mo. Diba? Second reason is that who knows, baka tong platform na to magamit natin to inspire, motivate, and encourage, di ba? At syempre, yung last talaga is for my own therapy. Sometimes you have to find a way to make you happy, and being creative makes me happy. Yun talaga. Kumita ka man o hindi, pero gustong kumita. Gusto ka talagang kumita. Pero kung hindi man pa sa ngayon, it's okay. What matters is you're happy what you're doing, especially pag nakita mo yung outcome ng ginawa mo. And that's it, guys. I just want to introduce to you why I want to go back to vlogging. Thank you sa mga nag-suggest ng aking first vlog. Siyempre, marami tayong one talaga na suggestion ng ating mga supporters is outfit check. Abangan nyo, guys. Meron din tayong home tour, what do you do for living, where do you go for shopping, saan ko kumakain. I'm very, very excited, guys. This is a lot of work. This is not just a regular short videos. Kaya talaga ang pag-vlog, hindi talaga siya joke. Thank you guys for watching my first vlog here in this account. This for you.
Wake up to a brand new dawn. Spread joy from the moment you're gone. Let laughter be your morning song, and kindness will keep you strong.